अंदर आ चुके हो. You guys are one of the top 1% players, right, in the AI game right now. I can confidently share that and say that with you guys. And if you're able to feel that, give me a 1% in the chats, guys. Everybody go ahead and give me a 1% in the chats अगर आप वो फील कर पा रहे हो कि जहां से आपने स्टार्ट करा था AI videos, to building AI softwares, to going ahead and building websites and landing pages, to doing copy, to creating your own personal assistant using AI. अब शायद ही कुछ चीज होगी जो आप AI से नहीं कर पाओगे. Yes. And now I was like, okay, it's finally time. It's finally time for us to get into the thing that I love the most, right? Which is marketing and sales. How many of you guys want to learn marketing and sales? And how many of you guys want to master the art of, whatever that you've built, getting a lot of customers so you can sell this out? जो भी अभी तक आपने बनाया, आई कैन सी द एक्साइटमेंट इन द चैट. ओह माय गुडनेस. अभी तक जो भी आपने बनाया है, वो एक सॉफ्टवेयर हो सकता है, वो एक वेबसाइट हो सकता है, वो एक लैंडिंग पेज हो सकता है, वो एक प्रोडक्ट हो सकता है, वो एक वीडियो हो सकता है. हाउ डू यू गो आउट देयर and sell a lot, right? Market your products in a way that you become the talk of the nation, right? So कैसे आप वो करोगे? क्योंकि हम ये चीज बार बार repeatedly कर चुके हैं. We have made and combined all the 6 years of experience I have in this into a very simplistic formula जो हर कोई इंसान जाके यूज कर सकता है, इंप्लीमेंट कर सकता है, right? And some good news is, like, guys, the power packed session on content creation with Nawaz, guess what, we have it coming in July. He's taking an exclusive batch for all of us, as we said, 4 weeks where he's going to come, walk you through how to go super viral on Instagram, and you're going to do it together, and you guys get access to ViralX as well. Now, ViralX is one of the applications I love the most. ViralX एक ऐसा ऐप है जिसमें we have put down a very good amount of money, right, at a multi-crore 8-figure valuation, and because आप लोग मेरे एक extended family हो, because आप लोग मेरे एक extended community members हो, you guys are getting the first dibs of it. Right, the app is not launched to public yet. When it's gonna be, like, launched, you'll all know it's gonna be a big launch. You're gonna have big players coming in. But क्योंकि you guys are part of one of our extended families and communities, you guys are gonna get access to ViralX application as well, and you guys are also going to get जो नवाज का 4 weeks का program है, which he actually sells for, like, I think 30 or 50,000 rupees. You guys are going to get that completely for free, right? So 4 weeks, implement together, build your Instagram portfolio and all these things. Yeah, excited and happy, everybody? Yes. Somebody give me a wow in the chats if you're excited for that also. As I told you, right, the course कब का end हो जाना चाहिए था, but we're just elongating it because we want to give and add as much value as we can possibly do. जितना ज़्यादा value we can add, that's the most amazing thing that can ever happen. I'm seeing the excitement in the chats. Great. So अब आ जाते हैं to the basics and the fundamentals of marketing and sales, right? How many of you guys want to learn the fundamentals जो आपको कभी गलत नहीं जाने देंगे? Example, right? Let's say you had to pay me 60 lakh rupees, right? I charge that for working for 6 months now. I used to do that for 1 year, but now my rates have updated and now we charge 30 lakhs for 3 months and 60 lakhs for 6 months plus royalties. अगर let's say आप मेरे को 60 lakhs pay करते हैं, minimum contract is 6 months and plus royalties, how would I guide you on your business? Right? How would I take the right strategies in your business? क्या क्या fundamentals है जो मैं यहाँ पे apply करूंगा? That's what I'm going to teach you right now, right? So, how many of you guys have built your own software? Yes, give me a me in the chats. किन ने अपना खुद का एक सॉफ्टवेयर बिल्ड करा है? Give me a me in the chats. Yes, perfect. अब मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ, right? I'll give you one of the biggest secrets of all time, and if you're just wondering where am I right now, मैं आपको छोटी सी कहानी बताता हूँ. I was in South Africa for almost 28 days. Then I was in Bangkok for almost 12, no, almost 6 plus 6, yeah, almost 12 to 13 days. So I was out of India for almost 40 days, right? And because I was out of India, then I came back to India. 2 days I spent at my place, and then I'm on road again. I was 2 days in Mumbai, 2 days in Delhi. Right now I'm in Delhi, and 2 days I'm going somewhere else for some important meetings. Now, why am I back on the road immediately, right? Isliye I'm back on the road is because I've been meeting a lot of investors. I've been meeting a lot of people in the private equity world. I'm meeting a lot of people who are writing big checks for big companies. And मैं clear direction देख रहा हूँ जहाँ industry move हो रही है, right? How many guys would love to know more insights about that? Give me a me in the chat, guys. Give me a me in the chat, ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to know about all these insights. अगर ये सारे insights के बारे में आप थोड़ा सा एक hint जानना चाहते हैं, because of course it's hours and hours of conversation with people. Like एक इंसान 300 करोड़ मैनेज कर रहा है, एक इंसान 1000 करोड़ मैनेज कर रहा है, and we are sitting with them on meetings and understanding where the industry is evolving. अब मैं ये इसलिए बोल रहा चाह रहा हूँ because this will help you a lot. Because अगर आप कुछ बड़ा build करना चाहते हैं, you better focus on the right direction. Okay. How many of you guys agree that for a big company like OpenAI or Anthropic or all of these companies or X to wipe off any business, for them it's the easiest thing in the world, right? How many of you guys agree that? Give me a me in the chats. Yes. Give me a me in the chats if you agree with me. Example, मान लीजिए आपने एक ऐप निकाला, right? आपने मान लीजिए कंटेंट क्रिएशन के ऊपर एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया. Let's say you launch that software on content creation. अब मान लीजिए आपने उसको $100 million की रेवेन्यू पे खींच दिया, right? Let's say you've scaled that software to $100 million in sales. You know what's going to happen? The next day, OpenAI or Anthropic is going to launch a free application that does the same work, and guess what's going to happen? Your whole business is going to die. Does that make sense? Your whole business is going to die. I'll give you a solid example. How many of you guys know Canva here? Give me a me in the chats. किन किन को Canva के बारे में पता है? Give me a me in the chats. Okay, perfect. Now, all of you guys know about Canva. Canva has crossed $100 million in revenue. And guess what Claude launched? Can you all think and let me know what was it in the chats, guys? Can you all tell me Claude ने क्या launch करा? Claude has launched Claude Design. And the moment Claude has launched Claude Design, Canva stocks crashed. Because जिस चीज का Canva is charging a lot of money, Claude Design is practically doing 100 times better job at 100 times cheaper money and more utility. Again, pay close attention, okay? This is a very, very big insight. समझ में आ गया तो your minds will be blown away, right? And you can count this as like 100 crore conversation because दो तरीके के लोग होंगे. पहले लोग जो इसको actually depth में समझेंगे and who can actually take this and like speed and skyrocket के साथ वो scale करेंगे. And दूसरे लोग कुछ नहीं करेंगे and just बैठे रह जाएंगे, right? So pay close attention. And by the way, is this insight helpful for you? Yes, give me a mind blown MB in the chats if this is blowing your minds. Just like this, आप कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर लॉन्च करोगे, उसका अगर मार्केट में डिमांड होगा, उसका अगर मार्केट में यूजर बेस होगा, एंड लेट्स से अगर आप $100 मिलियन के रेवेन्यू तक पहुंचा देते हो, तो आपका बिजनेस इमीडिएटली शट ऑफ हो जाएगा, बिकॉज कल अगले दिन वो उठ के वो प्रोडक्ट बना देंगे. Does that make sense? Now, what's the way around? So when I was talking to all of these investors, they told me clearly there are 3 ways where you can focus on. Okay? You should not build a mainstream solution कि मैं सबके लिए कुछ बना रहा हूं, because if you do that, you're in a big risk and you're big danger, क्योंकि कभी भी कोई भी आके आपको रिप्लेस कर सकता है. Is that clear, everybody? Give me a clear in the chats. Yes, give me a clear in the chats if that is clear. ठीक है? Perfect. Now, there are 3 areas where you can build. Okay? 3 areas. How many? Everybody give me a 3 in the chats, guys. Everybody go ahead and give me a 3 in the chats. Okay, and please write this down and please pay close attention to this. I am just gonna quickly open my screen share and I'm gonna share my screen with you guys. Rishabh, if you're there, okay, perfect. Rishabh, can you see my screen?
Yep. Screen.
All right. So there are 3 things where even the big folks are betting on. Okay. How many? Again, once again, everybody give me a 3 in the chats. Go ahead and give me a 3 in the chats. Yes? All right. Perfect. Now, what are these 3 things? Let's understand. सबसे पहली चीज, everybody write this down. It's called as vertical SaaS. Please write this down. It's called as vertical SaaS. Now, what do you mean by vertical SaaS? एक vertical SaaS होता क्या है? Think about it like this. पूरे दुनिया में there are a lot of different subcategories. Example, आपको रियल एस्टेट एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको इंश्योरेंस एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको D2C ई कॉमर्स एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको कोचेस का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको रिटेल का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको ट्रेडर्स का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको स्टॉक मार्केट का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको प्रोटीन का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको डाइट एंड फिटनेस का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा. हाउ मेनी आर एबल टू गेट मी ऑन दिस? यस, हाउ मेनी आर एबल टू गेट मी ऑन दिस? सो यू नीड टू फाइंड योर ओन कैटेगरी. इंश्योरेंस एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको D2C ई कॉमर्स एक कैटेगरी. SaaS. Now, what do you mean by vertical SaaS? एक vertical SaaS होता क्या है? Think about it like this. पूरे दुनिया में there are a lot of different subcategories. Example, आपको रियल एस्टेट एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको इंश्योरेंस एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको D2C ई कॉमर्स एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको कोचेस का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको रिटेल का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको ट्रेडर्स का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको स्टॉक मार्केट का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको प्रोटीन का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा, आपको डाइट एंड फिटनेस का एक कैटेगरी मिल जाएगा. हाउ मेनी आर एबल टू गेट मी ऑन दिस? यस, हाउ मेनी आर एबल टू गेट मी ऑन दिस? सो यू नीड टू फाइंड योर ओन कैटेगरी. ठीक है, अब वो कैटेगरी आप कैसे ढूंढोगे जिसमें आपको सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट और पैशन हो. लेट्स से आप रियल एस्टेट में है, या लेट्स से आप सेल्स में है, लेट्स से आप मार्केटिंग में है. सो यू कैन एक्चुअली गो अहेड एंड चूज दैट पार्ट एंड नाउ यू बिल्ड द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट मार्केट. इट्स कॉल्ड एज वर्टिकल SaaS. इसका मतलब क्या है? अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, इफ लेट्स से यू गो आउट देयर एंड बिल्ड अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर रियल एस्टेट पीपल. लेट्स से आपने एक AI एजेंट बनाया जो ऑटोमेटिकली जाके ऐसे लोगों को ढूंढ लेता है जो प्लॉट्स खरीदना चाहते हैं, लेट्स से इन मुंबई और चेन्नई और या जो भी लोकेशन आप डालते हैं, एंड ऑटोमेटिकली वो उनको जाके रीच आउट भी कर लेता है. इट डज एवरीथिंग फॉर यू. लेट्स से यू बिल्ड एन AI एजेंट लाइक दैट. ओके, डू यू अग्री दैट रियल एस्टेट पहले इतना छोटा मार्केट है कि एंथ्रोपिक या क्लॉड या ओपन AI या इवन ग्रॉक किसी को भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा टू लॉन्च वन इन अ रियल एस्टेट मार्केट, क्योंकि वो मार्केट भी बहुत छोटा है एंड उनका वो प्रायोरिटी नहीं है एंड उनका प्रायोरिटी मासेस है. वो कभी एक नीश में आके कभी भी एंट्री नहीं लेंगे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गाइस एग्री विद मी? गिव मी अग्री इन द चैट्स. And this is a very, very, very important conversation. Smart people will really get their minds blown away. So we know एक जगह जहां हम safe हैं and जहां we can command any prices that we want, right? Is the place where you need to start building immediately. Example देता हूं. 2 तरीके के लोग होंगे. First type of person would be, hey, I will build you a beautiful 3D animation website. Okay, first. Second person, hey, I will build you a beautiful 3D animation website for your real estate portfolio. So whenever a customer lands there, they can visually experience how the place would look like. अब ये दो अलग अलग pitches हैं. Let's say you go out with the first pitch in the market that, hey, I will help you build a 3D animation website. अब वो बोलेगा, customer या client बोलेगा, the client or the customer is just going to be like, but वो तो मैं Claude से बना लूंगा. Because you're going out there and literally pitching a generic solution. But the second side, when you say, I will build you a custom 3D animation website for your personalized real estate property, जो कि customers आते ही they will visually be able to understand कि ये जगह कैसी है, and they'll be able to feel the vibes of it. अब tell me something, real estate वाले लोग सबसे ज्यादा आलसी होते हैं, yes or no in the chats? They are the most laziest people of all time, yes or no in the chats? Absolutely. And they would never come to you and tell you कि बॉस मैं क्लॉड से बना लूंगा, because उनको क्लॉड पता भी नहीं है, और पता भी होगा तो भी वो बनाना नहीं जानते. So in that market, अपने एक दो examples भी उनको दिखा दिया. Let's say you showed just one or two examples to them, and if their minds are blown away, boss, they'll immediately write a check to you and have you build their website. Right? Give me a mind blown in the chat if your minds are blown up. Right? Give me a mind blown in the chat if your minds are absolutely blown away. Yes. How many is able to get me? Right? How many is able to get me here? How many is able to understand me? Option number 2. Hey, I will build you a CRM. That's option number 1. Or option number 2, I will build you a personal CRM for your insurance sales, which will literally reach out to them, track their progress, everything in one place. Which do you think will sell more? 1 or 2 in the chats? Yes, it's 2. Absolutely. You guys are smart. Why would second number sell the most? क्योंकि how many guys agree insurance वाले again सबसे ज्यादा आलसी होते हैं? Give me a lazy in the chat if you get it. Yeah. You know that they are lazy. And guess what? When I do it for them, they are good at insurance. They are not good at AI, boss. There are only top 1% of people जो अभी time spend भी कर रहे हैं to learn things like AI. That's why I can confidently say जितना भी अभी आपको आता है, आप already एक top 1% player में हो. They are not spending even 5% of the time that you are spending to learn AI, or let alone build with it. Does that make sense, everybody? So, guess what happens? When you show them that I can build you a personalized CRM according to your needs, they are like, take my money. I'll give you a third real life example. So, for a lot of people, I run a holding company, where we have a lot of partner companies. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me post a story kuch din pehle, which was like, hey, I'm looking for some UGC video ads creator for, creating mass videos, mass ads, UGC ads, AI ads for our partner companies. How many guys saw that? Yes? Let me know in the chat. How many guys saw that? Yeah, perfect. You all saw that. So if you saw that, आपको पता होगा कि naturally कितने responses आए होंगे, because a lot of you guys also saw it, and a lot of you guys also responded back to me on that part. And funnily, I landed upon one mutual friend of mine, which was very long back. He came to one of our events in Goa and he shot the entire event, and I freaking loved it. And he was like, Shubh, I can help you with that. And I'm like, cool. I was like, okay, first, listen, we would need like 300 videos a month or 500 videos a month. Can you do it at that scale? So he said, yeah, sure. I have 10 people in my team who are editors. I had 25 ka team. I cut it down to 10 because of AI. And I can definitely do that for you. I'm already doing for this brand. I'm like, okay. So I just simply asked him, dude, what's your monthly revenue? Because he's a friend. मैंने बस यूं पूछा, भाई, what's your monthly revenue? And he said, brother, I'm just doing like 3.5-4 lakhs a month. And I'm like, dude, ये इतनी बड़ी problem है. आजकल UGC ads सबसे ज्यादा चल रहे हैं. You are literally having a hot service, and you are saying कि you're only making 3.5-4 lakhs a month. Why is that? He asked me the strange questions like, Shubh, I don't know what makes you say ये एक hot industry है. लोग तो मेरे से खरीद नहीं रहे हैं. फिर I asked कि how are you selling it? फिर उसने बोला कुछ नहीं यार, I'm just telling people that if you want UGC videos, I'm the one for you, so I can help you create it. मैंने बोला yes bro, because the moment I hear that, my first instinct is like मैं भी बना लूंगा एजेंट पे जाके, why would I need you? मैं भी बना लूंगा हैरी की ट्रेनिंग देख के, why would I need you? Am I right, guys? How many guys would think like that as well? Yes? 100% right? Perfect. So I said कि भाई यूजीसी की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत किसको है? So उसने बोला भाई यूजीसी की जरूरत सबसे ज्यादा दो लोगों को है. So he said edtech companies and he said e-commerce companies. तो मैंने उसको बोला ओके परफेक्ट, सो आज से आपका एक रूल है, कोई भी एडटेक या ई कॉमर्स के बारे में आप उनको मना कर दोगे, भले वो आपको कितना भी पैसा दे रहे हो। He said okay. So I was like, okay, now go out to e-commerce owners only and tell them, hey, if your e-commerce brand is struggling with profits, is struggling with getting a lot of sales, it's probably because you don't have a lot of UGC videos that looks damn real, right? And I can help you create 100 UGC ads a month that wouldn't even feel like it's AI, and give it to you, which would make your brand go viral, get a lot of customers, and help you build a big brand. Now guess what happened? So he just took the same line, he posted on a story. Surprisingly, 3 clients immediately texted him back. And funnily, he added another 2 lakhs a month in recurring just from these 3 clients, specifically in e-commerce. क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत एक UGC वीडियो के मतलब for UGC videos, it's e-com businesses. How many guys are mind blown? Give me an MB in the chats. Yes, how many guys are mind blown? Give me an MB in the chats. Right? So it's about picking your niche. तो सबको समझ में आया, right? I hope I've given you enough examples about vertical SaaS, by the way. Yes. I hope I've given you enough examples about vertical SaaS कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा what in the world is a vertical SaaS, right? Vertical SaaS or vertical service. Now second one I would say, मैं इसको second में ही break कर देता हूँ, which is write this down, service as a software. Please write this down. Please write this down. Service as a software. SaaS का definition क्या होता है? Software as a service. मतलब आप लोग पता कैसे सोचोगे? You guys would think it like this. You guys would be like, अच्छा मैं एक software बनाऊंगा and I'm gonna go ahead and sell that software. Yes or no in the chats? So you're going to be like, okay, I've joined Unfair Advantage. I know how to build a software now. So I'm going to build a software. I'm going to start selling the software. Yes or no in the chats? Okay. Yes. Okay, perfect. But again, I'm going to give you 2 different pitches. Tell me which one would you go for? Option number 1. Hey, use my AI to build your personalized diet and personalized nutrition that you like. Option number 2. Hey, how about we create you a personalized diet and a personalized nutrition plan in less than 4 hours, where our team manually sits it and checks all the data of all the people who have gotten results just like your body shape, and we give the personalized reports to you. So can you tell me किसमें perceived value ज़्यादा है and आप कौन सा वाला खरीदेंगे? Option 1 or option 2? Let me know in the chats. Perfect. Everybody says 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Can somebody tell me why? मैं बताऊं क्यों? क्योंकि AI has its own judgment. अगर आपको पता चल गया ना कि यार मेरे रिजल्ट्स AI से आ रहे हैं, तो आप बोलोगे यार शायद उतना अच्छा नहीं होगा. Am I right? So what I'm saying is shift the perspective and shift the angle. सेकेंड वाले में भी सर्विस डिलीवर AI ही करेगा, बट आप वो चीज मेंशन नहीं कर रहे हो. आप AI से ही फुलफिल करोगे, बट आप वो मेंशन नहीं कर रहे हो. Does that make sense? So you are saying that, hey, let me do that manually for you, and backend mein you are using AI. So it's not software as a service anymore, it's service as a software. Does that make sense, everybody? How many guys are mind blown? Yes. Okay, I'll give you a perfect another example. I have a friend of mine, he's an architect designer, and he's like, sure, typically for us to build an like a design of a floor mapping or whatever, it technically takes us around 6 to 10 days if it's like ultra luxury and damn good, so we have built this entire software जहाँ पे मैं बस मेरे ड्रीम फ्लोर या घर या कमर्शियल ऑफिस का फोटो डाल देता हूँ, and it gives the entire flooring plan for me, like entire sketch of it according to the way I want it and according to the floor that I have, and it's all AI. So he was like, I think I'm going to market it this way, that hey, use this AI to build your floor plan yourself. मैंने बोला wait, if you do that, you know what, people will actually not buy from you because they will feel like भाई ये तो काम AI कर रहा है, तो maybe let's not go with him, maybe let's go with someone else. So I told him, your angle and your unique proposition should be speed. Mala, you should be able to go out there in the market and tell them, आपको मार्केट में जाके ये बोलना है कि जहां 10 दिन लगते हैं, I'll give it to you in 2 days. Got it? Now your again whole thing is like, let me give you a luxurious plan, an architecture interior designing plan in just 2 days, while other people will take 10 days. And let me tell you something. Let's say आप एक घर बना रहे हो, Who would you buy from? Somebody who's giving you a luxurious design in 2 days, or somebody who's giving it to you in 10 days? Who would you buy it from? It's 2 days. Absolutely. So guess what happened? He didn't mention about AI, but he definitely said that in 2 days, market got shocked, customers and clients got shocked. उसने बाकी जो लोग मार्केट में दूसरे कहीं और से खरीद रहे हैं उनके सारे कस्टमर्स ये लाइक उठा लिए. He's literally stole all of their customers into his pipeline. And guess what? He is using AI to fulfill his work at the back end. So मैं बस ये बोल रहा हूं, जो आपने सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया है, how about instead of selling the software, you sell the service, but you use the software or AI to fulfill that. Yes. And now, जहां आप मैनुअली में 10 क्लाइंट्स ले पाओगे, because of AI you can take 100 clients now. Yes or yes in the chats, guys? Yes or yes in the chats? Perfect. I'll give you one last example. Again, these kind of stuff, nobody's going to teach you, all right? Nobody's going to teach you these stuff. Nobody's going to teach you this stuff. You know, these conversations are coming from a 100 crore investor table. Like, where are these guys investing their money on? Okay? Nobody will teach you this. In fact, most people can't even get access to those rooms. Yeah? Now, let me tell you something, like a great example. Imagine मैंने खुद के लिए एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया है which creates a lot of image ads for me in one click. बनाना बहुत सिंपल है. You connect your API of OpenAI and you just give a system prompt on what kind of ads do you want and you have a software ready. Yes or no in the chat, guys? Very simple software, yes? Okay, perfect. अब I'll give you an insight that will blow the fuck out of your minds. Okay, apologies for my French, but आपका दिमाग will be blown away. So pay close attention. So imagine I have the software जहां पे मैं मेरे बिजनेस का वेबसाइट दे दूंगा या मेरा जो भी है प्रोडक्ट के बारे में समझा दूंगा एंड वो मेरे लिए बहुत सारे इमेज एड्स एक साथ बना के दे देगा. A very good utility based software, yes or no? But how would service as a software apply here? So what if we say, again, we pick one market, and what if we are like, hey, I will create you 100 winning ads in the next 48 hours by our world-class design team for just 999 rupees. 10 rupees per ad. What do you guys think of this? If you're sold on this offer, give me a sold in the chats. Okay. Now what's going to happen when somebody purchases that stuff? They're going to come in and they will have a form. उनको एक सिंपल सा फॉर्म फिल करना है उनके बिजनेस के बारे में, उनके बिजनेस के डिटेल्स, उनका बिजनेस का वेबसाइट, एंड वो फॉर्म मेरा ऑटोमेशन से कनेक्ट होगा जहां ऑटोमेटिकली 100 एड्स बन जाएंगे विदाउट माय इन्वॉल्वमेंट और विदाउट एनीबॉडीज इन्वॉल्वमेंट. वो तो 10 मिनट में ही बन जाएंगे. एंड हम हमारे सीआरएम में ऐसा बोल देंगे कि इन सारे एड्स को एक ड्राइव में डाल के 2 दिन बाद इनको ईमेल कर दो. मतलब इस पूरे प्रोसेस में कोई ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन नहीं है. बट सामने वाले को क्या लग रहा है? ओ माय गॉड, दिस गाय इज वर्किंग सो हार्ड, is having his team build so many ads for me and giving it to me in 2 days. He must be some kind of god. But we know at the back we are doing nothing. And what are we using at the back to fulfill it? Our own software. Mind blown, ladies and gentlemen. Now, जितने भी customers आएंगे, अगर उनको एड्स चाहिए मतलब उनको और भी सर्विसेज चाहिए होंगे, you can sell them on that and you have a cream of highly qualified people waiting in line to buy from you. I'll give you like I have just so many damn things to share with you guys. I don't know how much can I share and how much can I not share. I know this guy. He's in US right now. He sells ad management for $50 a month. How much? How much, guys? $50 a month. How much does a typical agency would cost you? Yeah. How much would a typical agency cost you? Minimum $2,000-3,000 a month. 2-3 lakh रुपए. He is doing it for 5,000 a month. And he's saying हम आपके ads manage करेंगे and जो अभी current आ रहा है उससे better perform करके देंगे at $50 a month. How many guys are sold for this? Give me a sold in the chats. Okay, backend में he has an AI agent जहां पे you just have to connect your ad account and that AI agent will automatically go see the ads, kill it, launch it, scale it, everything according to the plan he has given. And he has 26,000 people in his subscription. 26,000 people. You know, if you were to do some maths, guys, your minds will flip along. Okay? It's $1.3 million a month from a $50 offer. Somebody give an AMV in the chats if your mind absolutely blown away. Backend mein AI agents are doing all the work. How many guys are able to realize the potential of what I'm sharing with you? Is again, these numbers, these statistics, these insights, these secrets. Let me tell you, आप लाखों रुपए दे दो, कोई भी आपसे शेयर नहीं करेगा. Because आपको पता ही नहीं है ये क्या चल रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है. I know another guy who's selling, I will create your entire Shopify website for $20 one-time price. How much? $20. I will create your entire beautiful Shopify site. Guys, 1,30,000 plus customers already. 1,30,000 customers already. Tell me what you guys think about it in the chats. I think this is pretty much enough social proof for me to tell you. How many guys are like mind broken at this point? Give me a me in the chats. How many guys are speechless? I promise I'll give you one last story and this will totally flip you. This will totally flip you. मैं जब सुना था, I was laughing and I couldn't believe this. Oh my goodness. Are you guys ready for it? Are you guys ready for this last story? I promise it's the last one, but are you guys ready for it? You guys will be flipped. एक मिनट के लिए आपका सिस्टम पॉज हो जाएगा. You know, I was talking about verticals in industries. जैसे हमने real estate के बारे में बात करी, हमने insurance के बारे में बात करी, all these things. Yes, you guys remember that? अच्छा, I'll tell you a story, real story. There is a vertical right now. ऐसा एक vertical है, which is the market of people aged above 50 plus. Which is people aged above 50 plus. अब सुन के आप हंसोगे. Tell me one thing every 50 plus has in common. It's a funny thing, okay? Tell me one thing all 50 plus aged people have in common. You know, कोई लिख रहा है loneliness, depression, joint pain. इतना आगे मत सोचो. Simple, you know, simple. Make it simple. सब आपको गुड मॉर्निंग का व्हाट्सएप इमेज भेजते हैं हर रोज सुबह. Yes or no in the chats? आपको कितने गुड मॉर्निंग के मैसेज उनके तरफ से आते हैं सुबह एवरी सिंगल डे? If you've received one of them, give me a yes in the chats. अच्छा, अब you know कुछ लोगों को सुन के लगेगा इसमें क्या है? Yes. And by the way, let me tell you something. You know, this is not just a middle class 50-year-old. You know, I'm connected with a very well-known gentleman. I won't name him. Very big name. Maybe their family you might know. Yeah, I'll not even joke you. Okay. This person has been sending me good morning messages from decades now. Okay? मैंने एक भी मैसेज का रिप्लाई नहीं करा होगा. Now this guy would be worth around 16,000 crores. Okay? He has now retired. His son and his grandson is taking care of all of his businesses and everything. A big business mogul. I'm sure उनकी family का नाम आप सबको पता होगा. I just don't want to mention it here. Now, when we met him first, and I was like, what a gentleman, and he was like, let's exchange numbers, and we exchanged numbers together, and उनका पहले दिन good morning का message आया मेरे को. And I thought, all right, you know, such a big gentleman, remembering me and sending me a good morning message. And मैंने वापस good morning लिखा. The next day he did it again. And again. And again. And eventually I stopped replying and I saw that, dude, this guy has a broadcast where he sends a good morning message every day to all the people he knows. Okay. Now there was an app that was created फॉर 50+ पीपल दिस इज अ बिग फ्लेक्स दैट अगर गुड मॉर्निंग का मैसेज मेरे नाम से जाए ना तो दैट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट. मतलब आई वांट एन इमेज दैट इज गुड मॉर्निंग बट नीचे मेरे को मेरा नाम भी चाहिए. Yes or no in the chats, guys? That's like a very big flex for them. That's like a very very big show off for them, अगर गुड मॉर्निंग के नीचे उनका नाम आ जाए तो. सो देयर इज दिस सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज ओनली फॉर 50+ पीपल जो डेली गुड मॉर्निंग टेक्स्ट भेजते हैं उनके नाम के साथ. द ऐप चार्जेस यू 200 rupees a month. How much, guys? Somebody write 200 in the chats. Get ready to be flipped away. The app right now does 18 crores a month. The app right now does 18 crores a month in revenue. साल का 200 crore रुपया from sending a freaking good morning text with your name below. For God's sakes. I was like, holy goodness. People with Einstein level ideas, they can't scale their company to 18 crores a month. इतना डम से यूज केस लेके a person has built a 18 crore a month company. 50+ people don't know what is Canva, what is ChatGPT. वो आपको और मेरे को पता है. Somebody says my parents should not know this, please. Guys, how many guys are totally flipped at this point? How many guys are totally flipped at this point? Yeah, somebody give me insane in the chats if you got to know the power of what I'm talking about. That one uncle in every family group. Absolutely right. Funny thing is now that same guy has started replicating this for everybody. For people who own a jewelry shop in India, a retail jewelry shop, उनको डेली ज्वेलरी एंड गोल्ड के प्राइसेस अपने दुकान के लोगों के साथ भेजना होता है आगे. And they don't know anything about Canva, ChatGPT, none of this stuff. They are paying 350 rupees a month and daily उनको उनके दुकान के नाम के साथ with their shop name they get today's gold prices directly imaged in their WhatsApp which they can send across everywhere. 350 rupees a month. The app does 3.5 crores a month. So इससे क्या सीखने को मिलता है? You don't need some world class level ideas. You just need something that has daily use cases. Guys, फटाफट MB in the chats if you got a big bulb on moment right now. Yes. So that's your second thing, which is service as a software. अब लिख लो third thing is an AI layer to an existing company. An AI layer to an existing company. Please write that down. AI layer to an existing company. Yes. What does that mean? ऐसे बहुत सारे businesses हैं who still don't know what to do with AI, how to use AI to improve operations, improve marketing, improve sales, create video ads, image ads, create landing pages, websites, internal softwares. So what you need to do is acquire or just get a normal business as a client and add these AI layers in their business and scale their businesses. जहां उनको 30 लोगों का टीम काम आ रहा है, you can fire half of them and आधे लोगों को आप एजेंट से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. Let's say there are 5 designers. अब आपको सिर्फ 2 लोग चाहिए who can run agents all day long and you can fire 3. अब एक इंसान का सैलरी अगर 30,000 पर मंथ है, you have saved 90,000 rupees a month immediately just from one department of designing. अब अगर आपने यहाँ पे 90,000 बचाया तो the profit has gone up by 90,000. Now that goes with all the other departments. Let's say आपने combined, you've let's say saved an additional 3 lakhs a month, which is 36 lakhs a year. Or even if you charge 1.5 lakhs for all of these implementations, it's a very big deal for all of these guys. And this is called as AI consulting. It's in a very, very high demand right now because people are too busy to learn AI. At the same time, they want AI. How many guys agree with me? Give me a me in the chats. Maybe your dad, your mom, your brother, sister, they want to learn AI, but they don't have enough time to do that. Or maybe, let me tell you, they're not as serious as you or they're not as smart as you to learn it. That's why you come into the play. You implement all the stuff for them. You save them a lot of cash, lot of money, and profit का ही तो आप पीस ले रहे हो. आप कहां से additional charge कर रहे हो? So it's a no-brainer offer. So अगर मैं आपको आके बोलता हूं कि बॉस, first I'll do is I'll add 10 lakh rupees a month in your business and उस 10 में मैं 2 ले जाऊंगा, क्या आपको चलेगा? Will that work for you? Let me know in the chats. Absolutely yes. You know? See, yes, 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 yes. अब क्या यही चीज आप जाके एक नॉर्मल बिजनेस ओनर को पिच करोगे? फॉर हिम इट विल बी द मोस्ट, the most craziest offer of all time. Up, guys, I had to pull in a lot of connections. I had to do a lot of favors to a lot of people to be able to sit in rooms like this, where 800 crore founder was sharing all these insights to me, where a $600 million fund owner was sharing all these insights with me. I had to spend a lot of time, money, and energy, and over a lot of people, a lot of things to be in those rooms. And ये insights वो कभी भी किसी से share नहीं कर सकते, as you see how powerful they are. And I wanted to share all of this for free to all of you guys, only for one reason and one reason only, ताकि आपका दिमाग खुले, ताकि you get out of this typical scarcity zone जहाँ you're always complaining, bitching, moaning. Yes, जहाँ you're not doing anything, you're still waiting for clarity and doing nothing. Most people are like, जब एक बहुत बड़ा आइडिया आएगा, जब मेरे को 18 करोड़ पर मंथ का आइडिया आएगा, तब मैं करूंगा. When I get clarity, I will launch. It's ulta. You launch and you get clarity. The bottom 99% of the people are always like, hey, let me get more clarity, then I will launch. And they'll keep giving excuses. नहीं नहीं, शुभ नहीं अच्छे से नहीं सिखाया. नहीं नहीं, बैच तो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया. Is they are typically like this. Does that make sense, everybody? But versus a person who's an implementer, who doesn't bitch, complain, moan. My question is, boss, have you gone through the recordings that have been through before? And I can see the stats because वो मेरा LMS है. And I know कितने % of the लोग क्या दिख रहे हैं. So, most people are like, oh no, how do I launch? What do I launch? Let me get clarity first. Let me attend more sessions first. Let me get my $1 million idea first. Because क्योंकि आप अपने $1 million आइडिया के लिए वेट कर रहे हो, आप लाख रुपए तक भी नहीं पहुंच पा रहे हो. So you don't need more clarity to launch. You already know enough. You launch and you automatically get clarity. जब वो आग लगेगी ना नीचे से, you'll खुद figure out everything. खुद जाके बैठ के आप recordings देखोगे. लेकिन नहीं, we as humans, we have this easy method to turn our complaining mode. नहीं, उसने गलत करा, इसने सही नहीं करा, इसने खराब करा, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. For us to blame is the easiest thing in the world. And when you are a mediocre person, you keep doing that. I just keep reminding myself of this thing, that the true intelligence in life is getting what you want out of life. And that happens without complaints. Elon Musk couldn't have gotten a $1 trillion, like $2 trillion IPO if he was sitting and complaining that, oh, उस investment banker ने delay कर दिया, अरे नहीं, मेरे को वहाँ पे Trump, launch नहीं करने दे रहा, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. Dude, he has 100 million times bigger problems and more problems than you, and he still got a $2 trillion IPO. And you are here, literally, you're here literally trying to just make excuses about random things and not even launching. Okay? How many guys agree this is you? And by the way, nobody is able to see your chats. Only me. Only I'm able to see your chats. So go ahead and let me know in the chats if this is you. How many guys agree what I shared was exactly you? Give me a me in the chats. Yeah. And I know what's going to happen. Very, very much. I know what's going to happen. I know what's going to happen. मेरे को exactly पता है क्या होने वाला है अभी. You guys are all hyped up and you're like, oh, I'm going to do this and change that and change this and अब देखो, and you're just going to freaking get back to your normal world in एक दिन या 2 दिन बाद. That's your reality. Now, that's not everybody's reality. That's not everybody's reality. But that's 99% of people's reality. Rohit says, sir, मैंने एक सॉफ्टवेयर बना लिया है, एड्स भी रन कर दिया, 92 लीड्स आर कमिंग, आई हैव क्लोज्ड 2 deals for 1.3 lakhs and another one of 1.7 lakhs is in the pipeline. Whoa. Congratulations, Rohit. Can we all give Rohit a big congratulations in the chats? I'm just going to quickly take a screenshot of this. I just saw so many people messaging like, oh, I did this and this happened. Congratulations, brother. This is what I'm talking about. Implementing without anything. Rohit, by the way, you're getting a lot of congratulations in the chats, brother. And if you can pull out some, 2.6 or 3 lakh rupees from 95 leads, that tells me a lot about you, Rohit. मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि वो अच्छा है या खराब है, that's none of it. It doesn't matter, boss. It literally doesn't matter. The whole part that you freaking did it, regardless of it. You know, that part is what makes me bet on someone. Right? जब भी I guess 2 या 3 हफ्ते पहले, I don't know when I said that, hey, send me your pitches, find me somewhere, my email or whatever. I'm not going to give it to you, and pitch me. If I like it, I'll go ahead and see it, and if I like it, I'll reply back. So many people. Rishabh, how many people would have reached out to us, brother? If you have kept a track of it, I don't know. I lost track of it.
Around 50 people at the most.
15-20 people, right? जितना हमने
Yeah.
देखा था, even more people have come ahead and
बाद में जाके a lot more tried to pick up, but direct contact only 15
and
people.
whenever I saw somebody's pitch, they have attached their app का link, लेकिन username password नहीं है. अभी should I magically imagine a username password and put it? I mean, such little details tells me a lot about the founder. अब मैं वापस क्या बैठ के फॉलो अप लूं कि मेरे को यूजर नेम पासवर्ड भेजो, फिर आप 2 दिन बाद देखोगे, फिर मैं 2 दिन बाद देखूंगा. लाइक आई हेट डिलेस, आई लव स्पीड. लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऐप का लिंक डाल दिया, लेकिन कोई लॉगिन पासवर्ड ही नहीं है. लॉगिन पासवर्ड मांग रहे हैं मेरे को. आई कांट इमेजिनेशन में जाके मैं नहीं डाल सकता हूं, राइट? सो सच लिटिल थिंग्स, लिटिल डिटेल्स मैटर्स अ लॉट. यस, सच लिटिल डिटेल्स मैटर्स अ लॉट. शायद मेरे को 1 या 2 लोगों का बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आया, एंड आई हैव हैड माय टीम टेल देम टू रीच आउट टू देम और समथिंग लाइक दैट. लाइक लिटरली गाइस, थिंक अबाउट इट. Yeah. How many guys are able to get what I'm trying to say? Give me a me in the chat. And how many guys think like it's high time you need to change, right? And again, as I literally shared with all of you guys, these things, guys, these are the 3 things all the biggest of biggest folks are betting on. These are the places जहाँ लोग जाके they are like investing between 4 crores to 150 crores in other people's businesses. Okay. ये आपको एक गोल्ड माइन मिला है. दिस इज अ फ्रिकिंग गोल्ड माइन. How many guys agree? Type the word gold mine in the chat if today's session opened up your brain like nothing else. Yeah. And I hope you all understand the power of these information. ये information technically public के पास जाएगी 6 से 7 महीने बाद. You guys are the early adopters of this information. And I always try to make sure कि मैं I bank on ideas before it goes to public, because the time it reaches to public, I am out already. आपको जिस दिन चैट जीपीटी के बारे में पता चला, उस दिन मैं चैट जीपीटी से बहुत आगे बढ़ गया हूं. So, funny story, we were into AI 2 years before ChatGPT came. And when ChatGPT was launched, me and our little group of friends who were deep into AI, we were laughing on how silly this technology is. And we were laughing more on how people are going nuts. People are going mind blown bonkers on ChatGPT. I'm like, such a silly technology. We were doing AI video stuff 2 years before ChatGPT, and I moved away from ChatGPT the moment it launched to public. Because imagine this, अगर वो public तक पहुंच गई है, तो you're already very, very, very late. At the end, retail and public is who public gets screwed at the end. आपको सबसे महंगे पे मिलता है जो भी मिलता है. I'll give you a simple analogy here. If, by the way, is this interesting? Are you guys having fun or no? Let me know in the chats. Maybe this might not be a fun for a lot of people. I'll give you a simple example. Let's take an example of a real estate. अगर आपको एक न्यूज आ रही है कि इस जगह में रियल एस्टेट अभी मिल रहा है एंड ये 2 करोड़ का मिल रहा है, तो ये ऑलरेडी वेरी 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 लेट, क्योंकि अभी आपके पास न्यूज पहुंची है. सबसे पहले जो डेवलपर होता है वो एकदम सस्ते पे खरीदता है. देन द नेक्स्ट पीपल हु इन्वेस्ट इन दैट प्रॉपर्टी, मतलब द इन्वेस्टर्स, द डेवलपर्स हु इन्वेस्ट इन दैट प्रॉपर्टी, दे गेट द सेकंड बिट्स. अगर इसने 10 में खरीदा तो ये लोग 12 में खरीदेंगे. उसके बाद द पॉलिटिशियंस, ऑल दीस पीपल हु अलाउ द परमिशंस फॉर द रोड्स एंड एवरीथिंग, वो 15 पे आके खरीदेंगे. फिर उनके क्लोज्ड होम फैमिली मेंबर्स एंड क्लोज फ्रेंड जोन्स एंड इन्वेस्टर्स, वो आके 18 या 19 पे खरीदेंगे. उसके आगे आएंगे जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स एंड बिल्डर्स एंड डेवलप, वो बिल्डर्स आके उसको 20 या 22 पे खरीदेंगे. एंड फिर आएगा रिटेल जो सीधा 50 पे खुलेगा. सो यू गाइस आर एंटरिंग एट 50 एंड ये बंदा 12 पे खरीद के बैठा हुआ है. करेक्ट? बट ये जो गैप है, दिस इज वेयर वेल्थ इज मेड. एंड इसके ऊपर अब 50 से 100 जाने में 5 साल लगेंगे, लेकिन ये 12 से 50 2 साल के अंदर गया है. Able to understand or going above your head? MB in the chats if you're able to get what I'm trying to say. Yes. So again, I've been trying to tell this one thing over and over and over again. Don't be a consumer. And the information I gave you today, boss, I don't know, like you would have never heard it anywhere. Okay. And let me tell you, ये information 5 से 6 महीने में public के पास पहुंच जाएगी. Every Tom, Dick and Harry will know about this thing that you learned on June 17th by December के टाइम. उनको तब समझ में आएगा, oh wow, this is the big opportunity. एंड लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग, मेरे से पहले किसको पता था? वेल, लेट मी शेयर दैट विथ यू. चेक दिस आउट. मेरे से पहले इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर्स एंड पीपल हु आर लिटरली रेजिंग कंपनीज एट $11 billion वैल्यूएशन. दिस इज अ कंपनी कॉल्ड हार्वी. ये क्या करता है? वर्टिकल सैस है. व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज दिस? ये सिंपली एक लॉयर्स के लिए एक एआई एजेंट है जो लॉयर्स को सारा काम इजी कर देता है. उनके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हो गए, उनके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनाना हो गया, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट स्टडी करना हो गया, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑल दीस थिंग्स बेसिकली. आई होप यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. इट्स अ वर्टिकल सैस ओनली फॉर लॉयर्स. अब ये वर्टिकल सैस वाला गेम एक साल पहले से खेल रहे सी. टेक्निकली मैं एक साल लेट हूं, बट जब तक ये न्यूज जनरल पब्लिक तक पहुंचेगी, इट्स गोना बी 6 to 7 months मोर. तब तक द रियल वेल्थ वुड हैव ऑलरेडी बीन मेड, एंड जो बचा कुछ क्रम्बल है वो पब्लिक को बाद में जाता है. लोग यहां कंपनी बना के $11 billion की वैल्यूएशन ऑलरेडी उठा चुके हैं. एंड नो एंथ्रोपिक, नन ऑफ देम विल रिप्लेस दिस बिकॉज दिस इज ओनली फॉर लॉयर्स. Guys, again, MB, mind blown in the chats if you're able to understand what I'm trying to say and share with you. सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है, और are you guys learning a lot of things and actually getting it inside? Okay, good. I'm seeing a lot of learnings and all these things. So you need to be happy, you need to be grateful that you got some insider stuff, insider knowledge way before the general public. Now इस टाइम से, by the time this news goes public, तब तक आप क्या करते हो, that's in your hands. And let me tell you, this is the period where the wealth is made. Yes. Awesome. जिनको समझ में आ गया, I hope you guys do something very very big out of it. And जिनको नहीं समझ में आया, make sure you go watch the recordings once again. समझ में आएगा. I'll give you a couple of more business models before we go ahead. अगर आपके पास एक सॉफ्टवेयर है तो आपको सॉफ्टवेयर सिखाना है इन अ कोर्स. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, कोर्स का पैसा लेते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर फ्री में देते हैं. करेक्ट? दे हैव टू डू उल्टा. एग्जांपल, आपने एक हेल्थ के ऊपर एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया है, तो आप एक हेल्थ का कोर्स बनाएंगे विच इज गोना बी कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. एंड आपकी मार्केटिंग इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक, जहां पीपल चार्ज lakhs of rupees फॉर अ हेल्थ कोचिंग प्रोग्राम, आई एम हियर टू गिव दैट टू यू फॉर फ्री. एंड वो कोर्स में आप अपना सॉफ्टवेयर पढ़ाएंगे ताकि कोर्स से लोग सॉफ्टवेयर खरीदें. गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी? इफ योर माइंड्स आर ब्लोन अवे, अगेन AMB इन द चैट्स. लेट्स से आपका कोई सर्विस है जो आप AI से डिलीवर कर रहे हैं, अगेन आप कोर्स फ्री में दे देंगे. यू गोना गिव द कोर्स टू एवरीबॉडी फॉर फ्री बिकॉज फ्री इज द ग्रेटेस्ट मार्केटिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. यस, फ्री इज द ग्रेटेस्ट मार्केटिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. एंड लेट्स से यू गिव दैट फॉर फ्री, बट अंदर आप आके बोल रहे हैं, इफ यू वांट अस टू डू ऑल ऑफ दिस फॉर यू, go buy our service. So what a funnel, right? Let's say आप content creation services दे रहे हैं using AI. So आप content creation का एक कोर्स निकालेंगे for free. You're going to teach everything over there. At the end आपका simple call to action ये रहेगा कि अगर आप चाहते हैं हम आपके लिए इसी principles के basis पे content बनाएं, तो just reach out to us and we have a service. And everybody, 30, 40, 50% of the people would go ahead and buy because they've learned your methodology and they want you to do it. Yes? How many guys got this? Yeah, give me a wow in the chats if you guys got this. Beautiful. This is, guys, we are getting into the basics of marketing and sales. अगर आपको लग रहा है this is all advanced stuff, we are just barely getting started. As I told you, 6 years of experience, hundreds of companies built to crores and crores of rupees, hundreds of crores in valuations, hundreds and crores of rupees in revenue and sales. Almost grown businesses in all the niches you can ever imagine. I have learned, if you don't master the new age of marketing and sales, अगर आपने, क्योंकि marketing and sales have totally transformed in 2026 and 2027, it's very different. How many guys can see the way I sell? You won't see anybody sell like me. Give me an agree in the chat if you agree with me. The way I sell is very different than what most people do. I am a lot into subconscious level selling. You wouldn't even know I'm selling, but by the end, the whole room is sold. Does that make sense? The way I market, you wouldn't know or feel like, oh, something is being marketed. Because, again, I know stuff most people can't even think of. Right? India में जहाँ the best of best marketers की सोच खत्म होती है, वहाँ we get started. And I'm not saying this out of I'm not bragging about it, but it's just I've spent crores of rupees to be on top of it. Right? Abhi tak aapko pata chal gaya, with all the sessions you've seen me, what level of stuff we have built and all these things, you know what I'm talking about here. How many guys agree with me, by the way? Give me an agree in the chats. Yes? And boss, learning this art is the best thing, the best skill you can ever acquire in your whole life. इसके लिए अब आपको जाके 1 करोड़ रुपया भी देना पड़े, it's totally worth it. Because skills will change your life, period. The great skills you have, the great systems, businesses, companies you can build in the future. But if you have terrible skills, you can't build anything in the future. So in the future, I am thinking, this is still in the thinking process. We haven't finalized on this yet. My team is saying that there's so much demand and we should do it. And I'm like, maybe we should not, because I don't know how much people would be up for it. But imagine, guys, if we were to host a 5-day or a 6-day residential retreat where me, some of the greatest marketeers that I admire and learn from, we all come together for 6 days. Together, we stay together, we eat together, we learn together, morning 10 a.m. to evening 7, 8. We have those midnight conversations. We have those midnight masterminds. We go deeper into the world of marketing, the world of sales. How do you build a 100 crore company? All the cool stuff. All the companies we have turned around, the greatest of greatest players. Jinka naam aapko nahi pata, but they're silently making crores every month. How are they doing it? Because those guys won't come online. Like those guys are friends, and I have to pull them offline. Like I'm talking about investors who have invested hundreds of crores in AI. So what if we host like this room, which is like a 6-day residential retreat where you can stay with us, eat with us, learn with us. You be in the proximity for 6 days with some of the legends of the space. And when you walk out with the greatest skill you can ever learn in the history of a lifetime. In a very luxurious, we'll do it my way. So you know what my way is. We throw some of the grand parties of all time. We throw some of the grand masterminds of all time at such luxurious, beautiful locations. Sometimes we book out the entire villa. Sometimes we book out an entire estate. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Yeah. So my team is like, hey, Shubh, we should do this because a lot of people wanting to learn these things. I'm like, no, maybe not, because I don't know how many people would really want to learn these skills of marketing and sales. Like just becoming the master of the art of marketing and sales, which brings money. Right? So go ahead, and the investment won't be cheap, by the way. Like, we are thinking on the north of, between 3 to 5 lakhs per person investment to be in that room. And of course, you need to know who are coming in this room because they are big shots. You can't just get access to that. Right? So, probably if that's one of you, and we have limited caps because we can't stay with everybody, and, the property is all limited. If you want to be, again, we have no seats open. We are still in the ideation phase. I'm like 99% I don't want to do it. My team is like, you should do it. Right? So if let's say we were to put something together like this, for 6 days residential retreat, and you walk out as a different human with different skill sets altogether, is I'm going to pour into you, right? How many guys would be up for something like this? Go ahead and type an I am in the chats and let me see who would be up for something like this. I see a lot of people I'm in. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Maybe we're still in the thinking zone. My team is like, you should do it. I'm like, maybe not, maybe later. I don't know. I'm just too packed with my back-to-back travels, and for me to get the big shots name and myself, and for 6 days that too, it's a task. So yeah, but yeah, glad to know all the people who are like, I'm in, because any which way we'll have to, like, we can't do this with like hundreds of people. That's not practically possible, right? So yeah, again, somebody saying already give me the payment link. Dude, we don't have any payment links. We have nothing. We have nothing. Yeah, we have nothing. It's still an idea. Maybe we won't even do it. Hello. Yeah. But if we were to do it, I just gave you a rough ballpark on how we would do it. Yeah. All right. With that being said, guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, when it comes to blowing your minds and expanding your vision, where would you rate today's class on? Let me know in the chats. Right? Somebody saying 1,000. Somebody saying infinity. Yeah. When it comes to blowing your minds, right? Where would you rate yourself? Like, on how big did your mindset go through today? Yeah, somebody saying infinity, 100%, 10 on 10, 10 on 10, 10 on 10, top of the moon, next level. All right. The good news, guys, is like I'm going to come here for like a couple of more sessions, and I want to go in depth. Like next class, we're going to go depth into funnels and offer creation and selling. You guys also going to learn the basics of selling. Right? And of course, here I'm going to cover a lot of it. But if we were to do anything of that retreat sense, it's 6 days, 12 hours each day, learning stuff most 99.999% are not even aware of. And people who used to admire are in that room. So you can't even put a measure on that, right? With that being said, do tag us on Instagram. Do let me know your top 2 to 3 takeaways from today. Okay, I'll drop my Instagram over here.
I love to attend the sessions you're taking, brother.
Love that. So were you there the whole time?
Absolutely. I